Minister Nicola Stills says Grenada stand to lose economically from the UK's decision to not include Grenada on its green list. Countries are classified as green, amber and red, depending on their rates of coronavirus, a system referred to as the traffic light system. This pronouncement did not sit well with Prime Minister Dr. Keith Mitchell, who in a recent letter to the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson expressed deep disappointment that Grenada, which has one of the lowest rates of infection in the world, is not included. The PM was quoted in the Telegraph newspaper as saying they have not spared any resource in ensuring the island is safe and have implemented stringent and rigorous programs to control any spread of the virus. Health Minister Nicola Stills was asked about the implications for Grenada's exclusion.
Being on that list where it's not as convenient for an individual to come to Grenada and then return to the UK, then it is not as appealing for an individual to come to Grenada to return to the UK. So particularly those who may be coming for vacation or so, and therefore they may avoid. So it would have a negative impact on our tourism industry as a whole and potential arrivals from the UK market. So that's why we are working on that discussion, and that's why we continue to encourage the population. So this is not the Ministry of Health giving ourselves its own classification. These are other countries that are saying the same thing that we are, that to be not fully vaccinated or to have a population not optimally vaccinated is a risk. Not just a risk to that population, but a risk to individuals visiting that country as well. And that's
mandatory quarantine is in place for all people returning to the UK from countries on the amber and red list. This means that people arriving from amber list countries are required to quarantine for 10 days at home on their return. This is a legal requirement. All people returning from overseas travel must have a PCR test. An updated report on Wednesday states that Spanish, Greek, and some Caribbean islands could be added to the green list ahead of the first travel review system on June 7th. Transport Secretary Grant Sharp revealed that the UK will be assessing islands separately from their mainland countries. Grenada was listed among several destinations that could see a surge of Brits very soon. The UK Green List consists of countries and territories that are deemed safe enough for non-essential travel, and travellers will not need to quarantine on return to the UK. Chrislina John, GBN News.